Hi guys, it's Ellis Island. Today we're going to be reading I Will Take a Nap. I will take a nap. I am tired and cranky. I will take a nap. I like to nap. I am happier when I am resting. I hope I have good dreams. Gerald, what are you doing? I am trying to take a nap because I am tired and cranky. Plop and I nap helps if you are cranky. Yes, a nap helps if you are cranky. I am sorry, Pig. I am very tired. Now I feel cranky too. Very cranky. Maybe I need a nap. Maybe you do need a nap. I will take a nap too. I like to nap with my stuffy bunny. Ready to nap, ready to nap. Sleep tight. Snore, 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 snore. Snore, 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 snore. Sunk, 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 puff. snore. Yarn. Whoa. What a great nap. I feel rested. I do not feel cranky. How are you enjoying your nap, Gerald? I am not enjoying my nap, Pig. I am not napping. But if you are not napping, how can I be flying? Yarn. Oh, hi, Gerald. Did you have a great nap? I sure did. Turn here. Okay guys, that was the end for today's video. Like and subscribe for more videos. See y'all next time. Bye.